Ever wonder whether you should pick a rollerboard or spinner luggage? Today, we're breaking down the pros and cons of both to help you decide which one best fits your travel style. Hard shell versus soft side luggage. Choosing between hard and soft luggage doesn't have to be complicated, but it's about more than just looks. Whether you're eyeing a sleek hard shell case or prefer the flexibility of soft side luggage, the right choice comes down to your specific needs. Packing space and capacity. When it comes to packing space, both types of luggage have their benefits. Soft side bags usually offer expandable zippers, giving you a little more room for those extra souvenirs. But for fragile items, hard shell luggage is your best bet, offering better protection. Middle opening versus top opening. Hard shell luggage typically opens in the middle, making it easy to access everything. Soft side luggage usually has a top opening design, perfect for quick access when you're on the go. Durability, hard side. When it comes to durability, hard shell luggage often wins. It's built to withstand rough handling and protect your belongings, especially if you're carrying something fragile. Durability, soft side. But don't count soft side luggage out just yet. With the right materials, like high-density fabric, soft luggage can be surprisingly durable and resistant to wear and tear. Weight differences. Traditionally, soft side luggage is lighter, which can be a game-changer if you're trying to avoid those dreaded baggage fees. However, newer hard shell bags are now being made from ultra-lightweight materials. Cleaning and maintenance. Hard shell luggage is a breeze to clean. A simple wipe down after each trip keeps it looking fresh. Soft side bags, on the other hand, may require a bit more maintenance, but modern fabrics are often water and stain resistant. Pros and cons recap. So, which is better for you? If you want durability and protection, go with a hard shell. But if you need extra packing space and flexibility, soft side luggage is the way to go. The choice ultimately depends on how you travel and what you pack. No matter what you choose, remember there's a perfect suitcase for every traveler. So pack smart, travel light, and safe travels. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Travel Closely for more travel tips. Happy travels, everyone!